Imagine a tool that can generate quiz questions, images, code, and so much more all at your fingertips. Meet Quizly, your ultimate AI-powered assistant. Let's dive in. Start by clicking on the question generator. Choose link, publicly accessible. Open any notes website, copy the link, and paste it into Quizly. Select your preferred difficulty level and language, then hit Generate. Instantly, Quizly creates detailed quiz questions with answers. Preview your generated quiz to see the magic in action. Curious about what else Quizly can do? Next up is the AI Image Generator. Enter your image prompt, click Generate, and watch as Quizly crafts a stunning image tailored to your description. Preview the result and let your creativity soar. But that's not all. Ready to meet your online tutor? Let's move on. With Quizly, you also have access to an online tutor. Select a subject expert, ask your queries, and get instant, accurate answers. Eager to see what else Quizly can generate? The code generator is up next. Quizly's code generator is a game changer. Describe the type of code you need, specify the coding language and difficulty level, then click Generate. Quizly will provide you with fully functional code. Preview it, and if it meets your needs, simply click Copy. Wondering how to check if your content is AI generated? Let's see the AI Content Detector in action. Finally, enter your content and click Scan for AI content. Instantly, Quizly analyzes your text and provides a detailed report on its authenticity. From quizzes to images, code, and content detection, Quizly is your all-in-one AI solution. Ready to revolutionize your workflow? Start using Quizly today. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.